I used to always come home from school and I would just start watching the next MrBeast video, or I would watch some other random video, some self-improvement video. And the worst thing about it was I thought I was kind of making progress in life because I was watching some self-improvement videos, I was learning about business, how to grow my business and everything like that. But I really wasn't, because I was wasting so much time just watching these random videos. And I was gaining all this information, watching all this bullshit, learning about like business, self-improvement, and I was spending so much time on it then that I really wasn't taking any real action towards my goals. Now I'm completely free, been for almost 7 months, no short form content. I don't watch random YouTube videos. I haven't watched MrBeast for I don't even know how long. I don't scroll on fucking Reddit. I don't watch any of this stuff. I don't play any games. I don't do any of this stuff. I'm just like completely clean in terms of like screen time. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what you can do to actually stop watching like random videos on YouTube, actually target it towards something that will make progress in business, in your self-improvement, in whatever specific thing that you're focused on. So there's two methods. I've helped like a bunch of people with this, yada yada yada. So yeah, there's two methods. The first, and use one of two methods. You can kind of, I would prefer the second method, but let's go over the first one, which is what I started with. So the first one I call the prime the YouTube algorithm strategy. So so another thing about these videos, I don't cut them up. I don't do anything. I just roll in the first take, because you see all of these other YouTubers, they're like, oh yeah, and I'll help you reduce your screen time. And then you see B-roll of them literally scrolling on their phone, and then you see them like eating something, playing with random like toys or something like that. Just B-roll, stimulation, background music, sound effects. I don't even know, bro. In these videos, it's just one take. Either it's good or it's not good, because I'm just here to actually help. So yeah, also click on the first link for more help. So yeah, the overarching strategy is like the onion method, but let's get to the prime the algorithm strategy. So how do you actually do this? So the prime your algorithm strategy is all about like making a new algorithm for your like YouTube feed so that it serves the right content to you. So you do it by creating a new YouTube channel. So you click on your profile, you click like switch accounts, add new account, and then you just like make one real quick. You know how to make a YouTube account, I know you. So you make that, and then you prime the algorithm. You find like 5 people that you know are posting pure education, just only the stuff that you actually want to consume. So for example, you watch like Charlie Morgan, you watch Alex Hamosi, you watch Hamza, you watch these like other people first. You watch these people who you feel like are actually serving like the right education to you. You watch like Jeff Nippard or whatever. You just watch the people who you feel like are actually making, they're actually giving you information that will make progress in your life. So you prime the algorithm like this. You subscribe to only 5 people. You set up extensions, especially on your PC. I would suggest starting on PC. You set up the extension hide YouTube thumbnails, which will just like hide the YouTube thumbnails, and you set up unhook, unhook, and then you just set up all the settings, hide the YouTube home feed. You can hide everything, and then basically just watch these people. And what will then happen when you're on your phone on this account, it will start serving the right type of content to you. So it will start serving, like similar content that is targeted towards this specific. And when you're on your phone, this is very important. You need to also do it a bit on your phone, where you, for example, like for 10 minutes, you just go on, and every single time there's some bullshit videos that you don't want to watch, that you know are not going to help you in any way, shape, or form, you click on the 3 dots, and then you just click not interested, not interested, not interested, don't recommend channel, and then YouTube will kind of like learn more and more and more. And the videos that you feel like are educational, watch them all the way through, click the like button, make a comment, so that you just like prime the algorithm. What would the algorithm like to see, so that it serves this specific content to you? So be ruthless, yada yada yada. But the thing about this strategy is it will never make your YouTube feed 100% clean. sometimes a MrBeast video will pop up. At some moment there will be like a dude, oh, how I grew the YouTube Shorts business from 0 to 10K a month in 30 days or something like that. Some like challenge videos that is just like stimulating, you're not really learning anything. It's just like, oh yeah, dopamine, dopamine, dopamine. So it will not be 100% clean. So this is how you make it 100% clean. I still use this strategy to this day. And the second strategy is called the onion method. Like, fuck, not the onion method, the audiobook strategy, whatever you want to call it. So how do you avoid the random entertainment videos that would pop up? You do it with this specific method. So you first download this one application called 4K YouTube to MP3 converter. Basically what this does is you get it on your PC, then you find the 5 channels that you listed out. When you're in a mindful state, you go on and then you find all the videos that you want to watch from this specific channel. You click the 3 dots, you click share, and then you plug it into this software, and then it automatically downloads the audio from this. You do that with 20 videos or something like that. Now you will have 20 different audio files. Now, what do? You go into Google, you search for Google Drive. Then you upload all of these like 20 audio files to that. Then you go onto your phone, you go onto the exact same account on the drive, you download all of these files, now you have them on your phone. So now you could technically just listen to them. But it's not an audiobook. If you downloaded a 2-hour full guide on something, you would not be able to just listen to 30 minutes one day and then like 30 minutes the next day, because it doesn't save the progress. So the way that you combat this is by going, again, downloading another application called Smart Audiobook Player. When you download this application, you can get the audio files, you can turn down the high frequency so you can actually listen to it with the AirPods on, and it doesn't like, there's not the like hissing sound. These are problems. I'm like, literally, bro, I'm solving the problems that you didn't even know was a problem. So I'm kind of like 2 steps ahead. So this is probably why it doesn't make the most sense to you, but that's basically what you do. And the thing about this is you can use free trials, like 7-day, 30-day free trials, but the 4K YouTube to MP3 converter costs like $20, bro. Just buy it. And the smart audiobook player was like $5, bro. $25 for unlimited time where you can just do this strategy, not be distracted, bro. It's 100% worth it. Invest $25. What's the ROI on that? It's like infinite. So yeah, it's a very good way of going about it, and it's basically what I do. What I do now, like right now, I have one mentor that I'm listening to on YouTube. I won't tell you because then you'll just do the exact same thing, which is maybe a good thing, maybe a bad thing, but just have it. The people who you think are truly helping you. I have one dude. I'm only listening to one dude. I'm just letting his like YouTube videos brainwash me. You get the audio files, and then I've listened to some of his videos for like 3-4 times, and sometimes when he's saying something in the video, I can remember exactly what he said, so I'm like saying it before he's even saying it. It's just like shows. It's an incredibly good way of making someone who is successful, who's in the position that you want to get to, brainwash you so that you can have the same mindset as them and everything like that. So if you're like an entrepreneur and you're trying to grow your business and you realize that screen time actually is your bottleneck, then I will help you. If you click on the first link in the description, fuck, that was a bad pitch. Anyway, it's just, I will get you to your desired position. So your desired position with screen time. And if you don't get to that position, you don't pay. It's that simple. So either you get to the position or you don't. Either way, it's a win-win. You can't lose. Click on the first link in the description. Fill out the Google form. See if you qualify. If you do qualify, I'll reach out to you on WhatsApp. I'll talk about your problem. See if I can help you out. If I can, I'll give you an offer. We'll start working together. You'll get awesome results. You'll give me a sick testimonial, and you'll start making way more money in your business because you can properly focus on everything like that. So go take some action. Have a good rest of the day. See you, brother.